Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech Orbit. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can turn on dark mode in your Windows 10 or Windows 11. There are very simple steps to change light mode into dark mode in any of your Windows version. So first of all, you need to right click on your desktop at anywhere and go to personalize. Click on colors and you can see there are two dark mode options, default Windows mode and default app mode. My default Windows mode is already dark, and if it's on light you need to click on dark to change color mode. So default Windows color mode is dark and default app mode should be dark. I need to change it to dark to turn on dark mode, and now you can see default app mode is dark. So if I open File Explorer or this PC, you can see dark mode here. This way you can change your light mode into dark mode in any of your Windows version. No matters if you have Windows 10 or Windows 11, you can change your default Windows color mode this way. Now if you want to turn it light, you need to click on light and you can see default app mode is light now. So this way you can change your Windows color mode into dark or light. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.